There are a few ways that you can fix synchronization errors in Microsoft Outlook. Today I'm going to run through a list of issues that could be causing some problems. So without further ado, let's climb in. Alright, so we're going to start out in Outlook. I'm on the browser version, and the first thing that we want to make sure that we double check is we have a stable internet connection. You can actually go ahead and check if you've got your internet connected and it says connected, secured, or if it's not connected, it will say connected without internet. You can also just go into a new tab. You can type in speed tests, and you can actually check the speed of your internet over here. Okay, this will give you a good indication if your internet is the problem. If it's not a problem, and you can see in this point, this is not the problem. If this is not the problem, if you're getting a good speed up and down, then that's not the issue. The other thing you can do is just simply reloading your page. So you can just refresh the page, and that may also help. Now, if you're using the desktop version, then you're going to go into settings, okay? And once you're in settings, you're going to look for apps on your left-hand side. You're going to look for the app, okay? In this case, we are looking for Outlook, and you'll see over here if there are any updates. Okay, if there are updates, make sure you've updated to the latest version, or periodically just go to the Microsoft Store, uninstall the app and reinstall it, and that should give you the most recent updated version. The other thing that you can look for is just your general Windows updates, making sure that your Windows has updated to the latest version, especially if you're using the desktop version of Outlook. This can make a big impact. So just go ahead and click on check for updates and make sure that you are up to date with the latest version. I hope this was helpful.